week turned out to be a lot more hectic than I have planned. I do have to take certain decisions like how I want to manage my budget, what I want to buy with my money, or where I want to invest that, or should I stay at home, go to other cities like Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Chennai, all of that, or probably stay at home and study versus shift with my friends and just balance mental health, whatnot. If you know, I'm not appearing for the 2026 examination, and my examination is going to be in the 2027. So I have decided that I'll take all the exams that do come out in my way, which are under the UPSC syllabus. For example, the general study subjects like economy, polity, geography, history, culture, like that. So I'm mapping the examinations and their syllabus, and I have decided that okay, whatever maps with this syllabus, I'll prepare for that and I'll appear for that. Whatever happens will happen. So, like that, I do have my APPSC, the civil service examination only, but it is at the level of a state. So, this is the state civil service examination, to put in a short and easy term. So there are group 1 and group 2 examinations which are about to come in my state. The notifications will be out around August 15, September 15. So I do have roughly around 5 to 6 months to be precise for my first level of examination. But for these subjects, like the AP specific portions, AP specific history, AP culture, AP geography, I have decided that I might need some external help. If that doesn't work, I have to do on my own. So, in continuity with the last vlog that I have done, I did call all the coaching institutes and I was trying to see in what way they can help me or in what way they can add value to me. But looks like there have been a lot of disturbance and this might not really add value. So, I'm still in process of searching the right source or right mentor, right test series, right institute for my preparation. Not really have decided on that. Anyways, all these things will start from the first week of April, so I do have some time. Meanwhile, I have decided that I'll focus especially on the GS level, the GS core subjects like the economy, history, geography, polity at the India level, because most of the examinations do have major part of it from the India level syllabus, especially for the prelims. Probably for mains they might differ. So I am also going through the syllabus, previous year questions, test series, topper copies. I'm trying to incorporate this into my system because I am very much new to this, because I have not done all this kind of homework, what do we say, groundwork, all of that. So right now what I'm most confused about is, should I save money or should I just invest somewhere or probably buy something? More of that you'll get to see in the upcoming part of the vlog. Anyway, so I have back to back studied because I know the upcoming days will be a little more hectic and I have to do some work outside the home other than the academics. So I was studying, finishing most of the topics, giving a bit more importance to general studies now because I did not really do well in the mock test. Anyways, to refresh myself, I have made myself some chai, if you know that. I love chai and coffee, all of this beverages and whatnot. So after a good long study days, I have continuously studied back to back for 2 days, and then from this day afternoon I went out because I want to check certain things. But this is the coconut lassi, and we do have boost on top of it. It's yummy, trust me, it's so good. And I don't like when they mix this tutti frutti, coconut, or the dry fruits. I don't like all of that. I love plain lassi topped with some boost. I absolutely loved it. I don't know if it's the sugar content or if it's the heat or what. I don't know what it is, but I just love this. I think I went there for 2 to 3 times already. I've come back home and made myself some moongfali chaat. If you know, and if you have watched my previous vlogs, my friend taught me this, and since then, I think I've had it like for what, 15 times for sure in the last 1 month or whatever. And then I have played with Billy. Oh, by the way, Billy bit me and I have to run to the hospitals, which you'll obviously get to see. And this is a homegrown papaya which I'm having, and it is very good for health. I do eat non junk food sometimes, and I balance it out with the homegrown food like this. And this is homemade dosa with some chicken. The next day I woke up and made myself some coffee because I do not really function without coffee. I love coffee, and I've studied a bit, and this day I have to go out in the morning itself because I have decided that I'll invest my money in some scooty. You know what's happening, the to and fro from library to library, if I want to go for any outings or probably some long distance outing with my friends, I do not really have a functional scooty at home because the scooty that we had was like what, 12 years old, and it's constantly stopping. So if you have watched my previous vlog, I have listed out my preferences, but finally I wanted to you know come down to two colors in Activa. One was maroon, which my parents were suggesting, but I had another preference, which you'll see obviously. And then we went to a nursery right next, close to my room. Sorry, to my home. Oh, I'm not in my room anymore. Anyways, so this is the nursery. This is where we buy all the plants. And look at this. This is guava, and it already had this. It's going to bear the fruit soon. The fruits are more in number compared to the leaves, and this is again homegrown with home compost and everything. So I've come home and then I have made myself some chai. And also, my mother started getting this cow's milk once in a while. This is packet milk, but there have been so many rumors that the packet milk is not good. Oh, by the way, in anthropology, I have studied that early man had used the tools like axe, hammers, this, that. I wanted to use the same because I want to see how it feels. But trust me, it was so good. If you have a hammer, you need to try this. It was so good, such a good feeling. I absolutely loved it. From now on, I'll use the hammer to. Whatever, do that chai with the ginger. And I got this homegrown papayas and some other things because I'm going to the supermarket lately all by myself, and I'm buying some groceries and all of that. So I've sorted it in my mini fridge, which I have purchased for my own usage. We do have a bigger fridge in the downstairs, but this is for me. And then I played with Billy. That's when exactly Billy bit me with its, I think it was playing, but I don't know. I'll tell you more about it. And then we went to the Honda showroom. There was Honda Dio and Honda Activa. Honda Activa 6G was the latest, but there was one more version about that. This comes with a digital meter, and I opted for a grey mixed brown color scooty, 125cc. It costed me around 1.2 lakh. There were options like EMI, and we have to do a lot of paperwork. Oh, by the way, they have given us some coffee. Huh. Anyways, so after that, I had to go to the Maharaja Hospital. This is a government hospital. It was so huge. Trust me, it was so huge. I went to a private hospital, but they told me that they are not going to give the vaccine. I don't know, rabies or TT, whatnot. So they asked me to go to the government hospital. So I had to go to the government hospital, get the vaccine shot done. This is my second vaccine. I'm done with the second vaccine. And the next day, and after that, I went to more, got some groceries, and it was Sri Ram Navami. We celebrate Sri Ram Navami in a very grand way. In here, I don't know about the overall culture throughout the India, but for us, Sri Ram Navami or any festivals, we have decided that we'll celebrate in a full-fledged way. If you study anthropology or sociology, you'll understand the importance of religion, rituals, customs, traditions, and all of that. So I decided, previously I never believed God, but after studying this subject and getting to know more about the Hinduism or the Hindu religion and the purpose of religion for that matter, I decided that I will again start believing in my rituals, in my customs. These are there for a tradition. These are not there for a tradition, but these are part of our blood. You'll get to know. I thought it's just stupid tradition, but no, it was not. It is not. It does have a grand purpose to serve. Anyways, I decided I'll stay close to God. I have started my spiritual journey, and I have took a hair wash and then did some puja, and then I've come back to my room, and then again I have done some work. And I was also searching for some updates regarding the optional. I want to do some crash course or test series or whatnot, because doing it on my own feels so crazy, and I do not really know, no matter how much of coaching you take, no matter how many test series you take, for some reasons, for some subjects, you will stay completely out of your mind. This is one such subject for me. Anyways, trust me, you know what happened today? My mother was cutting the leaves of the mulberry plant because it's not giving fruits. We are supposed to cut leaves, it seems. So we noticed a mulberry. This is for the first time I'm seeing a mulberry plant. If you have studied in your class 6 7, mulberry leaves are being given to the silkworms, and they do produce silk, and they do eat these mulberry leaves and something related to sericulture and everything. Anyways, this is the mulberry. For the first time I'm seeing it. Trust me, it was amazing, and I was stunned looking at it. Look what Billy did. Billy did not do anything, but now I'm extremely scared of it because of the vaccination and all of that. Look at the pigment. You know, this is the nothing. We did not use any of the chemicals, pesticides, fertilizers, but look at the pigment that it was giving. It was amazing. It tasted delicious as well. Anyway, so then I have come back to my room, and then I have done some work, some uploads, some document, and some note making, and I do have certain submissions. I do not want to share about that. That's my personal academic commitments I do have somewhere else. So I was doing that work. So I was busy lately because I was trying to crunch some more time, especially whenever it is possible, because most of the time this week went into non-academic activities like deciding on my scooty and all of that. Oh yes, and by the way, I do have done opened my scooty on Sri Ram Navami. Thank God, I do consider this as a really auspicious moment for me. Then I went to Amavari temple. Here, I've told you in my previous vlog, right, that the person who owns this all certain major things here is now the governor of Goa. So they have certain relations with this temple. So, anyways, I went to the Amavari temple near the railway station, and I have done some puja. I have asked the pujari garu to do the puja, and he had used some kunkuma, pasupu, all of that, and lemon, and he tied some edo something. And I asked my mother to open it because in my family we do consider her as a good hand. So yes, she started the scooty, and after that, by the way, again another one more lassi, and after that I have come home, and I started studying again. But I do have another plan for the day because I want to meet my friend and I want to give her some treat. And in the last couple of days I did not, and I could not go to the library, and I could not meet, and there have been so many non-academic commitments, and I also have to catch up on my health as well. I was catching up fever and feeling sick, especially right after this vaccination. I could not lift my right arm. The person also told that I need ice packs and everything. Anyway, so I studied a bit, finished my pending work. I have 1 week's worth pending work which I need to catch up on, so I'm working on that lately, not at all getting time. In the evening, went out with my friend, and we just had I have given her a treat with rasmalai and something else. Anyways, for more vlogs, stay tuned and follow me for more. Bye bye.